Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be unboxing and what to expect video for the MI Smart Band 5. So I've used all the MI bands. So the latest one was the 4. So after that the Redmi band, that's also from the MI category. Now this is the latest. It just launched today. So I'm going to unbox this, see what all do we get with this. We'll do a slight comparison between all three of them. Now these two are the actual competitors. This one is a different price range, different segment altogether, but still you can actually see all three of them in this video and then decide for yourself which one is better for you. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So the MRP on this says 2,999, but you can actually get it from the MI store for 2,499, and basically that's it. It's got the same design, same kind of packaging like the MI Band 4. Let's open this up. Now when you buy it from the MI store, they actually cut it and then give it to you for some reason. But anyways, I've still not opened it up. I just got it from the store. So that's the magnetic charger. That's the band, and that's the manual. Okay, so with the band you actually get in the box you actually get the band and a magnetic charging cable. So this actually connects directly to the back of the band. You do not even have to open up the strap. So you have a slight curve here that goes towards the heart rate monitor. You just have to put this there and that's it. The magnet is pretty strong. You cannot use this on the Band 4. I'm just giving a disclaimer now itself. It does not have any magnetic thing, and even if you try to connect it, it will not charge. So don't buy this for the Band. Don't buy this for the Band 4. So this is exclusively for the Band 5. So this is what you get. Let's take a closer look at this. Now the bands are totally different. So this is also something that people are asking. The Band 4 and Band 5 width has changed of this area. So if you actually remove this band, you will see this is much bigger than the Band 4. So this is a major question that everyone asks. So you cannot put the Band 4 band onto the Band 5. Just a disclaimer. Now let me move this out of the way. Now let's take a closer look at the band. Now I've already done the setup. So this is how it looks like. So this is larger. So let's talk about, let's look at the entire package itself first, and then we will talk about the differences. So this is how it looks like. It's completely made of plastic. You have the sensor here, the heart rate sensor here. Now it has changed a little. If you look at the previous one, this is slightly different, even though the sensors look the same, but they actually say that they have a newer sensor. We'll be talking about that in this video in the end. So this is the magnetic charging port, the heart rate sensor, and the MI logo. Then you have the serial number on this side and the model number on the other side. Then you have this big large display. It's exactly, the body is exactly same as the Band 4. There's no difference. It's exactly the same, just that the screen is longer. So it's not a wider screen, it's just longer. So whatever you see will still be small. So that's one thing that you have to remember. If you want a bigger screen, the Redmi one has a bigger screen, the new Redmi band. But if you want a longer screen than the Band 4, then the Band 5 has a longer screen. So that's the difference. Now let's take a look at the screen itself. Now this is a big screen, 20% bigger than the Band 4. It's got the same features: swipe up, swipe down, and then left and right swipe will take you into other menus. This is the home, capacitive home touch button. So wherever you are, you press this, you will come back to home. Now let's see the menu first. First of all, you will get the home screen, which has your clock, so which can be changed from the band and from the phone itself. Then you have status. In status, it will show you your health status, your distance, calories, idle alerts, and your last 7 days data. So right now, since I have not used it, there's no data there. Then you have Pi. Now, pi is basically your personal physiology activity indicator. What this does is, according to the data that you've given, your age, your weight, and it checks what kind of activity you do, it'll actually suggest you activities to do. Like maybe it'll ask you to take a 5 minutes walk, or it'll ask you to get up and do this or do that, something. So it'll keep giving you those kind of things, and then according to that you will be scored. So you get a pi score. You don't get, it's not like money, it's just a score that you get which tells you how good are you health wise. Then you have your heart rate monitor, which is normal. Then you have notification also works the same way. You just see the notification, you cannot respond to it. It's same like the band 4. Stress, so this is something new. So they've introduced stress monitoring. So if this is on, you have to switch it on in your app, and then it will actually check how stressed you are. So we will be testing this and then talking about this later on. Then you have breathing. So this is a feature which is available on premium devices like my Versa, the Apple Watch, all of them have this option. This is not there on the band 4, which has been introduced in the band 5 now. And then you have events. Now this is also something new which is not there on the band 4. You can see all your events that are going to happen. Then you have weather, which will show you today's weather, tomorrow's weather, and day after's weather. Okay, actually it gives you till Monday. Okay, so then you have workout. Now this is not new, but they've added some options. In the band 4 you just have 6 workout option. In this you have 11. So you have all these workout option: indoors, ellipticals, rowing machines, yoga, jump rope, swimming, freestyle. All of these options are already there on the band. So this is something new. If you want those options, then this is a better option than the band 4. Then you have more. In more you'll have D&D, alarm, camera. So this is also, the camera option is new. So if you choose that, then you can actually click pictures on the phone. So we'll be doing all the tests later on. Then you have music. Music is just to control the music. The band itself does not have any memory. Okay, stopwatch, timers, fine band, silent, world clock, band display. If you go into band display, you can change the display. You have 3 displays. This is the same as the band 4. You can set any 3 and then change between them. Then you have the settings. In settings you can change the brightness, the lock screen, auto screen off, and auto watch face. Press and hold. So if you actually want to change the watch face, you can press and hold and the watch face will change. That's it for this video. I will be doing rest of the test later on and then showing you the video. I'll be comparing I'll be actually using all 3 of them. Now this one is the Redmi band, the latest one. Then you have the band 5 and then you have the band 4. So I'll be testing all 3 of them, showing you the data, walking, running, jogging, cycling, all those things, exercising options, and then see which one is more accurate. You can actually decide for yourself. I'll be doing a real life review, and then we'll be talking about which one is better for you. Now all of them have different purpose. You have to choose which one is going to be good for you. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.